This bullet is, students, this is a practical image of crime scene while during the investigation or inspection, forensic inspection of the crime scene. It has been found. So if you have the experience or knowledge of the ballistics, you can identify. Hello? Yeah. Uh, you can identify of which firearm this bullet or this cartridge ammunition is of. हेलो, आप समझ पा रहे हैं? Please, anyone reply, any one of the all the students, anyone can reply. If you cannot recognize, there is no issue. I will have the domain what to explain next further. Okay, I think no one can identify. Maybe some other issue. Sir, next slide.